Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new session on programming in C language. This tutorial will cover everything about C program. Today I'm giving you an introduction about C program. C is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. It was developed for creating software applications that can directly interact with the hardware devices such as drivers, kernels, etc. C is a middle-level programming language. You ever wonder why it is called middle-level programming language? Because it binds both the high-level and low-level programming languages. Pointer arithmetic is possible in C, which is a feature of low-level programming languages. C is machine-independent, which is a feature of high-level programming language. And also, C can be used for creating software applications to create operating systems, and also it can be used for creating customer-driven menu-driven billing systems. That's why C is called middle-level programming language. Second important thing is C is a procedural-oriented programming language, which is also called structured programming language, which is a technology that breaks larger programs into smaller modules. And each module follows structured program, which helps us to reduce the errors and also misinterpretation. And also, C is considered as the mother of programming languages, because most of the compilers are built using C programming. And also most of the other programming languages follows C syntax. Let's go with next slide. Let's understand what are the main features of C programming. Very first feature of C is it is portable. To put it simply, C programs are machine independent, which means that you can run the fraction of a code created in C on various machines with none or some machine-specific changes. Hence, it provides the functionality of using a single code on multiple systems, depending on the requirement. Another feature of C is it is simple and efficient. The basic syntax style of implementing C language is very simple and easy to learn. This makes the language easily comprehensible and enables a programmer to redesign or create a new application. C is usually used as an introductory language to introduce programming to school students because of this feature. Next is memory management. Due to dynamic memory allocation, we can reduce the memory consumption of our code. Dynamic memory allocation is very important thing in C. We will study what is dynamic memory allocation later. It is middle-level programming language. We already discussed why C is called middle-level programming language. Next is C is a structured programming language, so we can reduce the errors and misinterpretation. Next important feature of C program is its extensibility. You can easily and quickly extend a C program. This means that if a code is already written, you can add new features to it with a few alterations. Basically, it allows adding new features, functionalities, and operations to an existing C program. So that's enough for today. We will discuss the basic syntax of C program in next lecture. If you want to learn C program, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Bye for now from C for Code.